hello to you watching. So, I'm doing it. I'm doing a Pan That palette, but I'm not doing a Pan That eyeshadow palette. I'm actually doing Pan That highlighting palette. So this is the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the only Anastasia Beverly Hills product I own. And that's what it looks like. It's the one with the like abnormally colored highlights. I have now finished 2 sample highlighters, one from Urban Decay, which I mentioned in, actually both of these I've mentioned in my 30 by 30 Project Pan, the Urban Decay one and then the Elizabeth Mott one. And in comparing the Elizabeth Mott one to the Urban Decay one, I like blinding highlights. I like people to see the highlighter on my face. So, this highlighter palette is something I really enjoy. I know a lot of people don't like the weird colors on their faces, but I really enjoy it. I bought it during the VIB sale last year, and I mainly bought it because it's Aurora, and the shade names are stuff like Eclipse and Luna and Spectra, Lyra, Orion, and Helia. And if you didn't know, I have a degree in astronomy and I'm working on getting my PhD in space physics. So this is, you know, their stellar theme got me. So, but yeah, this is, I only started using it this week, so I'm only a week into using it. So if you look at it, the only use you can see is like swatching, and then I've been using Spectra, so there's a slight difference in that one. But I will insert the first picture here. Because I did take a picture of it before I even started using it, so it was like fresh, clean. I don't know how often I'm going to do updates on this. Probably every other month. As I have progress, it'll be kind of like a pan porn kind of timing, where once I hit pan, I'll do an update and be like, hey, look what I did. Or once I finished one up, I'll do an update then. Like, I'll do an update when it's exciting to see an update. I'll take monthly pictures though. That way I have a regular interval of pictures I've taken. So yeah, if you're interested in watching me pan this highlighter palette, please subscribe, you know, follow these videos, and enjoy seeing, you know, you can only see like a little of the purple, so it's really not that obnoxious as everyone thinks it might be, because it's a colorful highlighting palette. So let's see how many times I can hold it up next to my face and maybe get a thumbnail without having to create one. Okay, but that's, you know, just ridiculous. Oh, and if you like this look, it is my Palette Bingo Sunday look that you will see that video tomorrow, because I'm gonna put this up today and the Palette Bingo Sunday up on Sunday. So, I mean, it's a Sunday, so, or today it's Saturday. And really, I put on all this makeup, and this is really all I'm doing today, is filming this video. And I keep holding it like this because I really want YouTube to make a thumbnail with me holding it like this, so I don't have to worry about making my own. Yeah. So, okay. Goodbye.